Before going into the structure activity relationship, we should have the recap of local anesthetic mechanism. So, the drug that is shown here is um, lipophilic in nature, must be lipophilic in nature so that it crosses the membrane and enters inside the cell. If this is not lipophilic, the drug will not enter into the cell and it will not have the binding site. That is, two types of two areas are there in the binding site. One is through the gate and within the cell membrane. Within the cell membrane, it will have the binding. So it should cross the cell membrane, then only it will have the passage for binding the site, local anesthetic binding site. To bind with the site, we need the cation. So outside the cell, it must be uncharged. Within the cell, it must be positive charge. So this binding will not allow the sodium to enter into the cell. So that leads to conduction stoppage. Once the drug enters into the cell of the neuronal cell, the sodium channel is said to be having three conformations: open state, closed state, and resting potential state. So we are concerned with these two states. Open state only we can have our local anesthetic enter into the binding area. Once the once the local anesthetic binds with the site of the sodium channel, then it will prolong the inactive closed state. It will prolong the closed inactive state. So in that way, it causes the conduction of the nerve impulse to be stopped or slowed down or completely slowed down. So the third confirmation is about the channel having resting potential state. Okay. Now we shall see the what is the closed state and open state of the sodium channel. Okay, so this is the closed state of the sodium channel, and this is the open state of the sodium channel. So it is more clearly, it is the closed state here. Okay, this is the closed state of the sodium channel, and this is the open state of the sodium channel. Okay, now we shall see the structure activity relationship of the local anesthetics. As with the structure, there are three parts to be named. One is lipophilic part, the linking part, and the hydrophilic part. Okay, so the lipophilic part of the structure enables the drug to be transported from the extracellular inside the cell. So it must be aromatic in nature, and it has to look, it will have a direct contact with the binding site on the sodium channel. Then the linker can be any length, but usually it is an ester or amide. Okay, finally the hydrophilic part, which is very important because the pKa must be between 7.5 and 9, because 7.5 is outside the cell and pKa 9 is inside the cell. so that inside the cell, the drug can become positively charged cation. Outside the cell, it can be a uncharged form. So it is tertiary amine is the preferred structure. So the anesthetic action will increase based on the penetration, and the duration is based on the positive charge. So penetration and rate fast mechanism, fast action depends on the lipophilic part. Okay. So these are the 2 points we have to discuss. So how this is pi-pi interaction of the aromatic ring of the lipophilic part, and para substitution. Usually the electron donating group increase the anesthetic action because they penetrate very fast. That is the main concept. And the electronic cloud around the oxygen, because we have the linker ester or amide. So affinity of the molecule with the receptor increases and easily passes the membrane. So these are discussed in detail. What are the possible aromatic group that can be added. Okay, then the linker is ester or amide. The number of carbon must be able to have the lipid solubility, protein binding, duration of action, and increase of toxicity. All these things depends on this linker area, linker substituents. Okay, so esters and amides are bioisosters, so they have similar binding properties, and their stability of in vivo is also similar. So we can have this ester or amide. Okay. Then it has been clearly given here. So what causes the van der Waals forces because of this substitution that leads to increased penetration or decreased penetration. So the electrostatic attraction brings about the positive charge on this. Okay. So electron donors increase the polarization, and that leads to increased penetration. Decreased polarization, so decreased penetration inside the cell membrane. Okay. Then substituents can be nitrogen, sulfur, oxygen, carbon, etc. But it should have definite linker number of carbons and amides and esters made of sulfur, nitrogen, or any other group. Okay. Then the last part of the hydrophilic part, the pKa must be 7.5 and 9.5. The condition is cationic and neutral form must be present. That is, it must be cationic at be in between this part, whereas outside the cell it must be uncharged. So the base must be outside the cell, BH plus must be inside the cell. So because we have important condition that the sodium channel of the anesthetic nerve, nerve ending can be approached only from within the cell. So that is why we need the drug to penetrate the nerve cell and then open the sodium channel and bind with the binding site. So anesthetic receptor site on the sodium channel in the ionized form only. So these are the few conditions we have to meet, and we shall see the SAR of remaining second category. Okay. So this is the same thing: a lipophilic part, intermediate part, hydrophilic part. Revision like structures I have shown. This is must be lipophilic, made of aromatic. Okay. So the electron density on the carbonyl oxygen must be increased based on this electron donor group. The next one is about the possible substituents on the aromatic ring. Can be amino group, alkyl amino group, alkoxyl group, or any substitution that enhances zwitterion formation, plus and minus here. So this is plus and this is minus within the this one. So that will increase the anesthetic drug acting very fast. Okay. Then the intermediate procaine series is having the substituents of sulfur, oxygen, carbon, and nitrogen. Their activity decreases. And the toxicity is also determined based on these sulfur, oxygen, carbon, and nitrogen, and the length of the linker compound. And the hydrophilic portion must be amino group or alkyl group, but it must be tertiary amine. And the hydrophilic morphino group is also diminished potency, and other things are said here, leads to rapid onset and lower toxicity because of the increased lipid solubility and lower pKa values. So with this, we shall stop the SAR of local anesthetic.